Hi, this is Jim Malone. I'm a certified hypnotist from Point Pleasant Beach, New Jersey. And I'm also the author of an ebook entitled Calm Your Tinnitus, The Less You Fear It, The Less You Hear It. And today I thought I'd share with you some information regarding a stress relief program I've developed for people learning to adjust or habituate to having that condition. Now, when tinnitus first presents itself, it's very important to get a full medical workup. And that's to make sure that there's nothing serious causing the symptom or something possibly that can be treated. However, in most instances, they can't pinpoint a specific cause or reason why you're having the ringing in the ears. And the medical community will often tell the patients, you have tinnitus, go home, learn to live with it, without giving much guidance on how to go about doing that. And unfortunately, that can create a lot of feelings of panic and anxiety and hopelessness. Usually then the person will embark on some sort of quest looking for various forms of remedy or relief. And something that you'll encounter are accounts of people saying hypnosis was able to help them gain some relief. And I've seen it in my practice. And you may be curious how that's possible. Well, I think it's helpful to understand that having tinnitus is an experience that has several components. The first and most obvious is the neurological signal, the misfiring somewhere in the pathway between the ear and the part of the brain that processes sound that creates that experience of hearing something that's actually not there. It's not technically a sound because sound is an airwave vibration, and tinnitus is being generated from within inside yourself. However, there's other components which include your stress levels as well as your mental outlook, whether you're optimistic or pessimistic, your beliefs, your expectations. And those combined create the level of distress or anxiety you have about it. You see, some people do have tinnitus and it's like an occasional nuisance. It doesn't bother them that much. And then there's other people who find it very devastating, very upsetting. Now, with a hypnosis program, we're not really doing anything about the neurological misfiring that's creating the sound. What we are doing is helping you change the perception of it. And we do that through teaching you various ways of learning how to relax, reduce anxiety, to develop a more optimistic outlook. And it makes perfect sense when you think about it this way. If you're having a great time, your everyday aches and pains usually get ignored. And you go, oh, that's there, but I'm having too much fun to really pay attention to that. However, when you're having a bad day, those same aches and pains can seem magnified. So hypnosis and self-hypnosis are really tools that enable you to alter your perceptions and reduce your stress levels. So if you ever have any questions, please feel free to connect with me through my website at njhypno.com. And remember that hope is realistic. And I want to thank you for watching. Have a great day. Take care of yourself.